like to welcome you all to Riding for the Brand Horsemanship Performance Horses. My name is William Yurgen. I'm a professional horse trainer. My main focus is reining, ring, cow horse, ranch riding, horsemanship, and development of young horses. We're here at beautiful Heritage Hill Equestrian Center, right here in Easton, Pennsylvania. It's also the place that Riding for the Brand is based out of. Our main topic today is going to be preventative maintenance. We'll be speaking with massage therapist Allison Overton, so stay tuned. So today we're talking about preventative maintenance on our performance horses. I'm here today with Allison Overton. Okay, she's with Equine Efficiency Massage Therapy. Allie, welcome to Heritage Hill. And today we have 3 horses we're going to be working on today, and I'd like Allie to tell you what type of things did you have to do to become a massage therapist?
I attended the Dow Equine Institute for Massage Therapy in London, Ontario, which was a 2-year, 2,200-hour program, which was courses designed by vets, FEI coaches, and human professionals to give a more realistic course for equine massage therapy that doesn't exist here in the U.S.
What kind of made you want to become a massage therapist, equine massage therapist?
I was very passionate about rehabilitation, but found that there were no courses suitable in the U.S., as most courses consist of a weekend program that's maybe 10 or 12 hours, and they don't really get into the in-depth anatomy, physiology, and kinesiology that's needed to be a massage therapist.
So preventative maintenance is really important for any performance horse. It doesn't matter what discipline you're doing, whether it's massage therapy, chiropractic, using joint supplements. What are some of the common issues that you come across with our performance horses with reining and rein cow horses?
Most common issues I find with reining horses can be a lot of overdevelopment in muscles, which is great for performance, but can be hard on smaller breeds like quarter horses and such. So the front end can be put under a lot of stress from the hard stopping, and then the hind end can be put under a lot of stress from the fast running, and then also stopping and trying to tuck under during those sliding stops.
So we're dealing with an aged horse here, 2 of them. They're about 14, 15 years old. Layla here, Miss Bay Starlight, she's a reiner, also a rein cow horse. She's about 15 years old. And the one you're going to see next is going to be April. She's a 4-year-old. So do you see, is there anything different that you would do for an aged horse versus a younger horse?
Working with a younger horse, I'm really going to focus on stimulating those muscles that we want to use during performance and making sure that they're ready to go and activated. Whereas with Layla, because she's a bit older, I'm going to focus mostly on drainage and making sure all the lactic acid and anything that builds up in her muscles get drained out, because her body's not going to be doing that quite as much as a younger horse like April. And I want to make sure that she's not getting too stiff too quickly when she's cooling off, and then when she's in her stall or out in the paddock, all of that is draining down, and then she can move more freely to prevent scar tissue from building up and arthritis from speeding up any faster.
Great. So now we're going to take a look at Allison working on our next 3 horses. Stay tuned.
You ain't much on crowds, but you're at home in a herd. You love the feel of good leather and the jingle in them spurs. And there are days that you wonder why you do what you do. But it's a torch that you were handed, not just a lifestyle that you choose. Hot and tired and dusty and cold to the bone, through the wind and rain and lightning, through the blowing snow. You sit tall in that saddle, yippee-tie-yay. You were born to carry on. carry on the cowboy way. In the morning you'll cuss and swear you're getting old, but when you saddle up and leave that barn, you'll be riding that new colt. You don't trade stock on Wall Street, that ain't where you invest. You know your treasure lies over there.